What is up guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike and this is my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some delicious bacon Alfredo. To start off we're going to put on some M&M because you know mom's spaghetti. We're going to get our water boiling nice and hot and we're going to make about serving size for 4 people. Add some salty water and then we're going to start adding about 4 to 5 bowls of delicious fettuccine pasta. We're going to cook the pasta for about 7.5 minutes to make it al dente, and then we're going to move on to the bacon. I'm using thick cut bacon. We're just going to take these out of the packet and then just cut them and dice them up into fine little pieces, which we're going to be used for frying a little bit later. Okay, there's the bacon all diced up. Now we're going to start up heating our cast iron pan. We're going to use some fresh avocado oil with garlic infused. Get the pan nice and hot, put the oil away, and then we're going to start frying our bacon bits. You want to get the bacon nice and crispy and then also add some salt and some pepper. Not too much salt as the bacon's already salty. There you can see the delicious brown color on the bacon bits. Okay, with the bacon all complete, we're going to use some exotic mushrooms. With the cream sauce, we got shimeji mushrooms, Chitaki mushrooms and oyster mushrooms. We're not going to be using the shimeji mushrooms, only Chitaki and oyster mushrooms. We want a little bit smaller mushroom and not very dense, such as shimeji mushrooms. We're just going to go ahead, cut them up into nice long pieces. You don't want to make them too small, otherwise they will go all mushy and they'll actually boil away in the cream sauce. Okay, we're going to use the same pan we used for the bacon. We pulled out the bacon bits and we're just going to use that same oil for the mushrooms. It'll infuse the mushrooms nicely with all the bacon sauces and the oils. Alright, there we can see our mushrooms have become nice and soft. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of garlic and then we can add some salt and pepper if you'd like as well. Giving it all a gentle mix through. We're going to go ahead, add our first cup of cream. We're just using normal pouring cream. It is going to reduce down a little bit to a thicker substance. And getting it to a boil, don't try and boil it too much. It might actually burn the cream and the mushrooms inside. Just keep the heat low, just keep it to a nice simmer. We're going to go ahead, add about half a cup of creme fraiche, which is just some cultured cream. Gives a nice, it has an undertone of sour cream, but it's also very thick and brings out the delicious flavors of oily foods, especially like this. You can go ahead, mix it all through and just give it a few minutes to set, reducing some of the moisture inside the dish, or the mixture. With the cream nice and boily, we left it for a few minutes to get to a nice simmer and reduce down. We're just going to add our freshly cooked pasta, 7.5 minutes al dente, because it will be cooking a little bit further inside the cream sauce, drawing up the rest of the moisture from the cream sauce. And there we go, just going to give it a nice mix through. For vegetarian people, you can serve it now as is. You could just cut up some zucchinis, pan fry them and add them to the dish. It will be perfect for vegetarians. And hence I'm serving it separately from the bacon and the pasta. Just going to go ahead, add some more black pepper just to give it a nice flavor. Okay, there's the bacon bits. We're just going to put it onto the side and just drizzle some over the top once we've dressed up all the pasta. Adding some fresh chives. You can add some spring onion if you'd like as well. Just give it a nice oniony flavor on top. Make it nice and crisp. And that's it, guys. Quick Alfredo in under 15 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a like, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too to receive notifications on new videos. Thanks for watching.